Here are the latest offering from Era Car Hong Kong, 2 casting in total, the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, and also their popular Suzuki Jimny Off-Road. Big thanks to Era Car Hong Kong for sending me this casting to review for you. This will be a 4-part video, starting with the limited edition G63 in Desert Camo version, and the other with the cute Dairy Cattle family, followed by a series of Suzuki Jimny and the Fat Boy Craftsman Factory, which is very unique. Seems like a mystery box for now, it's a limited edition. And lastly, the rest of the G63 in 4 colors. If you have missed my review for the Spotlight Yellow version, you can always go to the card above. All these castings are now available at the Era website. You can refer to the link down below or where to get them. And now let's take a closer look at the pair of latest Mercedes-Benz G63 in Desert Camo version and the Cattle Family limited edition. Unlike the regular version, it comes in a bigger box to house the accessories. For the accessories, you have a pair of very adorable cow, the shelf, and also the milk bottle. All these cute little characters are very interesting. I guess the story is always to have fun while you collect. Wow, the casting is impressive along with all the cute little accessories. First, I like the high gloss finish on the body color. I think it's great. It strikes a nice balance with the carbon fiber around the casting. I really like the detail on the front. This AMG looks very macho and always ready to go off-road. Specs wise, it's totally the same as the yellow version, but what is unique is it comes with a combination of pink and black, which is a very contrast color. I guess the pink is introduced to accommodate the characters. Highlight is definitely the opening features on the door as well as on the hood, which you can see a very detailed and realistic engine compartment. And now to fit on the roof rack along with all these cute little accessories. These cute little characters make this casting very light-hearted and very playful. And of course, being a limited edition, it definitely stands out among the regular G63. Next, the casting I'm very excited about is the G63 AMG in Desert Camo version. I have a soft spot for camo. I think camo livery looks great on all the castings. It's really a casting tailored for my favorite game character, Solid Snake from Metal Gear. It comes with a lot of realistic looking accessories. Wow, impressive! I think the Desert Camo version is really well played on this G63. I really like the Spotlight Yellow version when I did the review, but this Desert Camo version is just wow. Apart from the camo livery, the rest of the specification is the same. I like the chrome treatment, the wood paneling, and also the realistic front and rear lights, which make this casting truly remarkable. The highlights is on the opening parts on the door and also on the hood, with very realistic interior. Not to mention the wheel sets rolls extremely fast. And now to fit on the accessories, I think it makes this casting really complete and really remarkable. This pair of limited edition AMG is a must-have. The Desert Camo is really a winner, and it will definitely stand out in your off-road collection. More Era Cars unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!